here, I did a video offering small businesses to send me little packages, and I will open them on my TikTok and review them for you. So let's do this. This is my first one. So if you're a small business and you want me to review any of your products, you can drop small business in the comments below. So this is BB's 2 Boutique. Ooh, I'm excited. Look at how cute this packaging is. Oh my god. You can find them on TikTok at BBS2 Boutique. I'll tag them in the description. Scrunchie, we got some earrings. We got some car coasters. Look, I love. Okay. What is this? Oh, we got some Easter stickers. I love how festive and like inclusive. Ooh. This shirt is adorable. Okay, hold on, let me move this out the way. Adorable, right? Oh my god, this is. Ooh, these shorts are cute. Okay, summer's coming. Let's get black long sleeve shirt. So cute. Thank you, BB's Boutique. I love it.